4 people, 2 decks of cards, 10 speed. Ready, go. I could hear some people are grunting from exhaustion in the other room. Like, when is he gonna stop playing that game? When are they gonna be done?
Whoops, sorry.
Okay, the goal is to make groups of multiples of 10. So you can, with the 5 cards that you pull, you can get groups of 10, 20, 30, sometimes even 40. Highest value at the end of the game wins. Any steals? They're doing steals now.
That's 18.
That's 18. It works. So it's perfect. That's where it's stuck. Okay, so in this game, you're supposed to try to get multiples of 10. If you make a mistake, you lose 100 points. It's a 100-point deduction. Or if you get stuck. Amazingly, as you saw a minute ago, nobody got stuck. So people are playing properly now where they're minimizing their chances of getting stuck with the 5 cards that they're holding. They're increasing their chances without getting stuck. That's a good thing. They're strategizing and playing proper tactics.
130.
Tie over here with the youngsters. Major rivalry developing over here. 190? I think you might have lost this one.
I think so. 200.
200. 190 versus 200? Wow. Very close. Very close. So we got first place, second place, and tie.
Tie. You two are tied. Wow.